Hi everyone, welcome to AstroNumero. So a lot of you must be knowing about the 369 manifestation technique. There are two different ways of doing the same technique. The first one, that is the most commonly known one, requires you to follow this technique regularly for 21 days or 45 days without any break. And the second way of doing it requires you to do this technique only once, preferably on a new moon or a full moon. For this, you have to write your wish 3, 6 and 9 times. Now when you write it for 3 times, that has to be the subject of your wish. When you write it 6 times, it has to be as if the wish is coming true, it is happening. And 9 times when you write, that is the last time, it has to be the action, meaning your wish has already been fulfilled. So it is your subject, intention and action. I will be showing you how to do it. Okay, so here's the example. You have to take a page, preferably a blank page or a ruled page. Since I am showing this to you as an example, I am using my rough diary, and a blue or a green pen. If you are manifesting for love, then a pink pen is preferred. So when you begin writing your wish, on top you have to write "Thank you, universe." Okay? So this is what you have to write first. It is very important to be grateful, to get the sense of gratitude before you begin your manifestation. Now you have to write your subject of the wish. Right now I am taking the example of getting a new job. So 3 times you have to write the subject of your wish. That is new job. Write this 3 times. So you wrote this 3. So once you write this 3 times, the next process is writing your intention 6 times, which means that you are going to write, I am getting a new, or say dream job. This statement you have to write down 6 times. And then comes the last and the final part where you will be writing the action for 9 times. So first is the subject, second is the intention, and third is the action part where you are going to write, I have got my dream job. Thank you, universe. You have to write this statement. So try to stick to only one line rule for writing your intentions or your actions. Do not write long paragraphs. And once you are done with writing, write down your name. Okay, I'm just writing my name here, and your date of birth. So there has to be your name and date of birth. You can also put your own signature here. So that was about job. Now say for example you are expecting a salary hike. Then your subject has to be salary hike, which will be written 3 times. Then you have to write your intention that my salary is whatever amount. You can write the amount that you want and write this statement 6 times. Then you have to write, I have got salary hike of whatever is the amount, and write this 9 times. Same can be done for promotion as well. Next example is for students. Say for example you want certain number of marks in a certain subject, or you want to clear your exams. So example is you want good marks in, say, science. So your subject is going to be science. Write science 3 times. Then you have to write the second paragraphs or second set of lines for 6 times, and they have to be, say the marks that you want would be 95 on 100 in science. This you have to write down 6 times. And last and the final thing is you have to write down that I have got 95 on 100 marks in science. In science. 9 times. The next would be an example of, say, love, or you're expecting a call or a text from someone. So you have to write call. If you are expecting a text, then say text, and then you have to write this statement 3 times. Then the next statement is going to be the call or text that you are expecting from who. So that would be, I am getting a call from whoever. Please write the name and write this statement 6 times. And lastly, you have to write, I got a call from someone. You have to write this 9 times. So this is the example that I am giving you for various topics. You can use the same technique for whatever wish you have. So just putting this rough template for your reference. You can take a screenshot of this so that you remember what you are supposed to write. And yeah, I hope this helps. This is it, and it's a very easy technique yet very effective. After you have finished writing your wish 3, 6 and 9 times, you have to hold that particular thought, your wish, for about 17 seconds. While you are writing, of course, you are paying all your attention and all your focus is on the wish. But you have to hold the paper in your hand and keep thinking about the wish minimum for 17 seconds. And you have to get all the feelings that you would get if your wish had been fulfilled. So you have to feel those same emotions. Hold the paper in your hand while doing this. And then you have to fold the paper twice, and then you have to burn it and blow it off to the universe, thanking the universe that your wish has been fulfilled. And now comes the most important part of the entire manifestation process. You must have been holding this wish since a very long time, and you might be doing a lot of remedies and a lot of manifestation processes. But you might be uttering words like, oh my God, nothing is happening, my wish is not coming true, I don't know what am I doing wrong, everything is working for everyone else but just not me. When you use negation, when you use negative words such as no, not, or a sense of doubt, then the manifestation process fails. There could be 2 reasons why things are not working out for you. One is time is not right. And secondly, it could be that you are overthinking about a particular wish or a thing. Remember that if you chase something, you may not get it. You have to attract things, not chase them. So do not keep thinking about the wish. So, in short, the most important part of any astrology remedy or manifestation process is to learn to let go. If you keep chasing things, things will keep going away from you. But if you are relaxed, then things will get attracted to you. It's like if you run behind a butterfly, the butterfly will keep running away from you. But if you are still and calm, the butterfly may come and rest on you. Similarly, you shall get your wishes fulfilled only and only if you are calm about it. Because you have to be in the receiving state. You have to be calm to receive and accept what is coming to you. So, you have to learn to let go. Once you burn off the paper and thank the universe, you have to not think about this wish. So, I know what you must be thinking now. How to let go? Since you have been wishing for something since such a long time, definitely that thought will cross your mind. Yes, it will. So, at that time, you have to close your eyes and say affirmative statements like, thank you, universe. My wish is getting fulfilled. I am living my dream. And you have to feel those emotions as if your wish has been fulfilled. You do not have to keep asking for your wish to come true. You have to feel that your wish has already been fulfilled. And that is when the thought process will change and you will start becoming positive. And that's when things will start working out for you. Hope this video helps you in your entire manifestation journey, and may your wishes get fulfilled super soon. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you so much for watching.